Focusing on customer experience. We use those words carefully. Customer experience, not customer service. Customer service is what you get at the grocery store. We want you to feel a little bit more special.
Yeah.
More special? Specialer. Something.
Yeah, so like customer experience that's gonna happen as a byproduct of just delivering. Like people are gonna email you and talking to you. Of course you gotta have good customer service, but customer experience is a whole nother level that a lot of people miss, and it's how are your customers feeling? Like how are you making them feel, and what is that feeling? And if it's something that you can evoke some type of joy or surprise to the point where they're so overjoyed by the value you delivered. I'm losing my words here. The value you delivered, they're gonna go tell friends and family, and from that one product you delivered, now you have 5 new customers.
Yeah. So these include the stuff that we leave behind in houses, little notes, little handwritten thank you notes around the holidays from our cleaning team saying thanks so much for being a customer, we appreciate you. One of them that's really hard to quantify, it's like very intangible, is if the customer experience team on the phone is listening and they hear something like we had a baby or my mom died and then we can't do it this week, whatever, we always send flowers. We have a florist that we work with. We send them a bouquet. Congratulations on the new addition of the family. Really sorry your mother passed, whatever it is. And then that also just makes them feel that's unexpected that a cleaning company, the one that I'm paying you to come clean my house, why would you send me something? Not every company does that, and you're not every company, so you should try and do that too.
And the things that work really well in this realm, guys, are don't automate it. So the things that take time, that take personal human touch to do this, a thank you note, a handwritten thank you note, some flowers that we hand cut and delivered, some baked goods that we made, whatever, like something that takes time and effort instead of just like an automated message or text or whatever. People are so used to that. You got to start doing things that like get people, like give them that feeling again. Like, wow, I can't believe that they wrote this by hand, said my name, reminded me of this personal thing we talked about, whatever. Make it personal, make it this connection with them. That's what this is all about. And when you do this right, guys, this is gonna totally change your whole business, because you won't even have to do marketing right if you have this dialed in.
I'm gonna take a break. That was 7.